work 7 days, di ba? Work from home. Hello, everyone. I'm with Rhaegar. Those who were asking me, this is Rhaegar. As everybody knows who's been following HOP for the longest time, you know that Rhaegar is my first ball python, di ba? My normal. He's a male. Never been bred, still a virgin up until now. And ano ba? Let's say, what's the best type of snake to get? Ayun. It's difficult to answer what's the best. Kasi wala namang best and not best. Do I make sense? They're all ball pythons. So, basically, they're the same, regardless of their morph. And I don't want to say na because it's a normal, it's not the best. Well, he's a normal. He was my first ball python. And he's the most important ball python for me. And he's never been bred. You might never be bred at all in the future because he's a normal gene. But he's the most spoiled. He's my baby. And he doesn't have any special genetic in him. But he is my first, which makes him the best. Does that make sense? So, ang hirap sagutin yung, what is the best BP? What is the best ball python to get? Kasi, depende sa'yo. Diba? So, it's not about, ang hirap niya sagutin na sabihin mo na kailangan high-end agad or maganda agad. It depends on you. What is that type of morph that you would like to bring home, diba? And for me, I think that will be what is the best for you kasi that's the animal that will start to open your eyes to the hobby. And that's the animal that will first tell you that whatever you heard from your kanununuan, all those biases about snakes are actually not true. Like for me, example, when I got Rhaegar, I was so scared. I remember yung video nun. I think I shared it in my previous vlog. The first time I had Rhaegar, he was very small. He was hatchling. He's about less than 100 grams, 90 or 80 grams. Sobrang liit niya. But my hand was shaking. Literally, because I was raised from a normal Filipino family, just like everybody else was. You know, different mindset about snakes, diba? And I was raised with that mentality, like everybody is. And so, nanginginig yung buong katawan ko, as in nanginginig ako. And I was so scared. Yung parang, umalis yung kaluluwa ko. Iniwanan ng kaluluwa ko yung katawan ko. Ganon yung nangyari. That's the emotion, diba? But this boy just stripped away all those biases, all those old beliefs that all they want to do is strike you, all they want to do is eat you. To be honest, I have a rat in front of me. My camera or my camera holder is sitting on top of my ASF bin, which is his food. And as you can see that I'm in the rodent area, by the way. Because yung lightning, iba na ang tama ng araw. So, andito yung sun or yung light. Actually, against the light pa nga ang person eh. Oh, diba? So, he is very, I'm in the rodent area and I could still, yung sabihin nila na, it's really different, let's say, from your experience. And iba-iba din naman ng personality nila. But what I'm trying to say is, you cannot say na what is the best ball python. They're all the best. Lahat sila best. Kasi, especially if it's your first ball, it's the first one that will open up your eyes to the reality of keeping, na hindi lahat ng napaniwalaan mo at na ituro sa'yo ay totoo. Na, gets niya. Like this boy, I opened my eyes na hindi pala lahat na sinabi ng lola at lolo ko, ng tita-tito ko, ng nanay tatay ko ay totoo. Because he just taught me everything, diba? And another thing is, should I get a hatchling or should I get a big one, diba? That's another question I always get. And I think for me lang it is, no matter what the species is, if you're a first timer, it is vital that you get a hatchling. Kasi you have to learn. And you have to learn, you have to grow as they grow. Does it make sense? Kasi ang hirap naman na kumuha ng ganitong kalaki. Agad, di ba? Naka-duster ang perso. Di ba? Bigay ito ng biyanan ko. I love it. So, ang hirap mo kumuha ng ganyang kalaki. Di ba? Nag-for the go ka ng sawa. First time mo. Siyempre, iba naman yung kanilang behavior, temperaments. They do have their own temperaments, by the way. And their temperaments are really different. Let's say, may ibang topakin, parang si Viserion ko, hanggang ngayon, hindi kami bati. Although hindi na siya striker, like before na talagang unang kita niya sa'yo, lulundag, you know, but he's more of a hisser now, but talagang topakin siya. Yung personality niya is, leave me alone. Ganon siya. But then we got Rhaegar right here, my first one. He's a very good boy. Diba? Mwah! See that? Diba? And he's just a lover boy. He's just a mama's boy. Talagang mama's boy to. But, you know, that's what I'm trying to say na baka lang matsyempuhan mo to pakin or bugnutin yung makuha mong breeder first time mo. Diba? Hindi mo alam kung paano i-handle. Hindi mo alam paano pakalmahin. Hindi mo alam paano i-tame. Diba? So, it's illogical to get a huge one just because gusto mo ng malaki agad. Unless if you get a hatchling, you learn step by step, you know, you learn, ay, mali pala to, so ito pala yung trip niya sa life. Ay, hindi pala ganito yung trip niya, ito pala yung gusto niya sa life. So, you get to learn the personality of your pet, and at the same time, you learn as you go along the way as well, diba? And I think it's important. That's the journey of keeping. Diba? Hindi yung bigla ka na lang tatalon sa something na you're not sure. Diba? It's nice to understand. Like Rhaegar got him like less than 100 grams. He's a 3-year-old boy. Look at him, right? Still a virgin, but he is a 3-year-old boy, right? And he taught me a lot. He opened my eyes. And there was this, I have so many memories with this boy. I would definitely treasure, you know. There was, when I found out their personality, because my first 2 snakes are Rhaegar and Rhaenyra, my albino. And there are 2 different personality. Alam mo yun? There was an incident na nagkaroon ng wildfire. Kasi yung tabi ng lot namin is a vacant lot. The corner lot is a vacant lot. Then, our lot, so, somebody, whoever is that body, decided, diba, na magsiga. Diba, very good kajarn sa vacant lot, the corner lot beside me, and that was summer season. That was 3 years ago, I think. It was summer season. And of course, dried grass is everywhere in the world, diba? And obviously, it created a wildfire. And my house is really filled with trees because my husband loved trees. We're filled with bamboos, different types of trees. Sobrang taas ng mga puno. Our trees are taller than our house roof. And as you can see, diba? Obviously, there's so many plants. I was a plantita back then. And ang dami ko ring plants. And all those, you know, dry air, and then the wildfire, yung usok niya palang, kalahati nung mga puno turned brown, nasunog sila from the heat of the smoke. And that time, hindi pa tanggap ni husband yung mga alaga ko, yung 2 alaga ko, si Rhaegar and si Rhaenyra. So they were situated here in the facility, which was a garden before, although meron siyang roof, but nandito silang 2. And the smoke was just overwhelming. It went inside our yard. 2 personality. That's the first and the only time he ever tried to strike on me. Kasi, syempre, bin yun, plastic bin, wala ka pang rack. As a beginner, you don't have a rack. Diba? You just have that plastic DIY bin. So, naka-DIY bin siya. Pag unlatch ko ng lock, pag angat ko, Rhaegar here just simply jump and ready to bite on me. And wala na akong pake. That was the first time I ever got bitten by him. And it doesn't matter to me because I know it's a natural reaction, survival reaction, I would say, for him to leap out and launch on me. Like I was the one who created the entire smoke. But that's, survival, right? Trying to escape. Well, then I got him out, right? And he was a little bit calm on my shoulder, right? Nalagay ko pa talaga sa shoulder ko like this. And then I went to Rhaenyra, whose bin is beside his bin, and then I unlatched the lock. And then pag open ko si Rhaenyra, iba ang kanyang personality. She was like this. Kill me now, I'm ready to die. Take me, Lord. Ganon siya. So, this one was on a survival mode, ready to leave, ready to get out for safety, run away from his enclosure. The other one was ready to die. Suko na ako, Lord. Diba? As in talaga nagaganon siya. As in, nakaganyan siya. Diba? Aloka. Diba? So, they have their own behavior and their own temperament. So, it doesn't really mean to say na because they're snakes, they're not like cats and dogs who has no personality or whatsoever. That's definitely wrong. They do have their own different personality. As you can see, this boy has always been mama's boy ever since na kahit na anong ginagawa ko, kasama ko si husband. Tapos, we love to drink, me and my husband, whenever we're tired. Because we work 7 days, diba? Work from home. Love you. I love you. I love you so much. I love you so much, diba? Baby ko yun. So, we work 7 days, and there are times that we're really drained. And we just stay in the facility because it's still an outdoor facility, covered facility. And I would be drinking, and I would just pull him out and let him do his thing with me. And he loves to spend time with us, actually. Unlike with the other ball pythons that we have, if you let them out and let them hang out with you, they're ang personality nila is more on the, gusto ko mag-explore, gusto ko umalis sa kamay mo, or umalis sa leg mo. I want to crawl down the chair and, go on the ground because I could smell rodents from afar, right? Kasi nga, daming rodents sa bahay. They're more in exploring. But Rhaegar here is different. He would try to reach to my husband, his daddy, and try to reach, and then higapang siya sa papa niya, then he would try to reach back to me ng ganyan na ginagawa niya. He'll reach back to me. He doesn't care about getting away from me. Or he doesn't care about nag-explore ako because I could smell rodents from afar. Bababa ako ng chair. He never does that. Ganyan lang siya. Pupunta siya sa akin, tapos aamoy niya si papa niya. He'll try to reach, ang haba ng leg niya. Try to reach his dad. And then pupunta siya sa papa niya. And then he'll come back to me. That's why we love this boy. Even though he's normal, he's the best for me. That's for me. This is my first baby. He will always be my baby. Naman.